Hey everyone, welcome back to Pamuka Wealth Empire. I'm Patrick, and today we're diving into those unnecessary purchases that might be tempting but are ultimately a waste of your hard-earned money. Let's make smarter choices and save more together. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on financial freedom. Now let's get started with 9 unnecessary items you think you need to buy. Number 1. Elaborate exercise equipment. We've all been there, signing up for a gym membership that we never use or thinking that having fancy exercise equipment at home will magically get us in shape. The truth is, you can get an effective workout at home with just a yoga mat, comfortable clothes, and a good pair of shoes. There are tons of free YouTube channels offering great workout routines. Commit to a year of home exercises with minimal equipment. If you still want something more after that, go for it. Number 2. Bulky or excessive kitchen gadgets. Deep fryers, smoothie blenders, waffle irons. They all sound great until you realize they're collecting dust 363 days a year. Keep a notepad or use your phone to jot down items you find yourself needing repeatedly. If you write down a specific gadget 5 times in a year, then it's worth buying. Otherwise, it's just clutter. Number 3. Highly specific ingredients or foods. We've all seen recipes that call for one unique ingredient that you never use again. Instead of buying expensive, specific items, get familiar with common ingredients and their substitutes. Skip the pricey diet foods and meal kits. Basic ingredients can be more cost-effective and versatile. Number 4. Bloated cable packages. With so many streaming options available today, a full cable package often just isn't necessary. Consider using services like Hulu, Netflix, and Amazon Prime for your entertainment needs. And if you do want cable, try to negotiate for the lowest possible package that includes your favorite channels. Number 5. Paper storage. In today's digital age, most of your important documents can be stored electronically. Scanning and uploading documents not only saves space but also keeps you organized. Plus, digital storage options are far cheaper than bulky filing cabinets. Number 6. Fancy cleaning supplies for home and body. You don't need a different cleaner for every surface. Basic items like baking soda, vinegar, and multi-purpose cleaners can handle most of your cleaning tasks. For personal care, DIY scrubs and a good bar of soap work just as well as those expensive products. Number 7. New or perfectly matching furniture and appliances. You don't need brand new, perfectly matching items to have a beautiful home. Thrift stores, Goodwill, and Facebook Marketplace are gold mines for affordable, unique pieces. The items you cherish most are often those with character and a story. Number 8. A sitting room. If you have extra space, make it functional. Transform unused rooms into a home office, workout room, or a large closet. Every square foot should be utilized and loved, not just a space to dust occasionally. Number 9. The newest version of your phone or laptop. New gadgets come out all the time, but you don't need to upgrade every time. Try freeing up space and optimizing your current device first. Repair and upgrade what you have before buying new. This mindset saves money and reduces waste. Remember, the goal isn't to feel bad about past purchases, but to make thoughtful decisions moving forward. Let's prioritize what truly adds value to our lives. Thanks for tuning in to Pamuka Wealth Empire. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more financial wisdom. See you next time.